Today we are working on switching out the gas tank skid plate. This one is much thicker and sturdier than the one that's on there. We also have our hitch right here. And somewhere right here, we got our harness. It plugs in that green plug right there.
Rather difficult to get out.
And then we got the rear bumper off. Right now we're working on getting the gas tank out. Okay, so here's the original gas tank skid plate. And this is the one we're sticking on there. It's a good deal thicker. And it weighs twice as much easily as the one that was on there. So to get to this point, I had to remove the rear bumper, obviously. There's pop rivets in the wheel well. Here, I believe there's a third one. And then once you get this apart from the inside, there's going to be a 10 millimeter bolt. And then it clips in here. So you'll undo this side here. You'll gently pull it out and you're going to pop this clip out here. You do the same exact thing on the other side. There is, at least on the 04, a Torx bit here. And then we got a couple more screws here and right over there. And then on the bottom of the bumper, there's 4 more rivets here, here, and here. And then you can see the screws along the side here. They go into the back there. And we used a ratchet strap to hold up the gas tank. Pulled out the old skid plate, getting ready to put the new one in. That's kind of where we're at for the moment. Alright, we got the new skid plate in, the straps on. Working on getting everything bolted up. Should have the hitch in shortly. Got the wiring harness run. Comes up to a grommet. Down in there, can't really see it. Comes back through here, plugs into that green harness, so we got that taken care of. Hitch is mounted. I can't see under there with the crap. So there we go. Got that all mounted up and torqued down. Now we're gonna mark off the bumper and try and do some cutting. Almost wrapping it up. We got the hitch on there. Cut out the bumper so it would fit. Harness. Everything good to go. Last thing we need to do, jack it up, pull these tires off, so I can put some new plastic rivets in here. But we're almost done. Alright, we got her all done. Hitch is in. Everything's bolted up, all squared away. Well, it's the next day. Excuse me, I've been looking at this, and I had originally planned to buy the Mopar receiver, hitch receiver, or cladding, or whatever you want to call it. But with as tight as that came out, I think I might save the $90 and just leave this like this. Works for me. So that's finally accomplished. Another couple items off the list, and we get to move to the next one. So if you guys keep watching them, I'll keep making them.